pointing at some niggas.
Yeah, those are guys.
There's a bunch of people. There's a bunch of people coming over though.
You having like a little kickback or something?
Yeah, why? You trying to get the smoke right now or what?
Nah, I'm trying to come party with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Hold up.
we can get a smoke whenever, bro. I'm trying to come party. It's your birthday, bro. Live it up.
Yeah. Come by.
Bet where you stay at?
Come up to my room.
Alright, but I got you. Give me like, I need like 15 minutes though.
Okay, handsome.
Fuck you, alright.
Let me ask you a question. Have you and Bilu ever tried to like do something ever with each other?
What kind of question is that?
What do you mean? Like you guys have been friends for a long time.
Yeah, what you mean?
Well, you play on the same football team, right?
Yeah, be like 3 grades under me.
Okay, so hold on. All right, where's Bilu, bro? I want to start gambling, bro. Like, where the fuck is he, bro?
She make it club.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later.
Bro. Bro, you literally hurt me so bad, bro. Here, retweet it. I want to pull it up on my stream. Retweet it. Retweet it. Dude, you actually hurt me. Dude, look at my face, bro. Like, fuck. I wish the camera... Bro, that hurts so bad, bro. I mean...
You said what?
It hurts.
It hurts.
No, it really did.
It did.
It really did. It really hurt, Z. It really hurt.
Hey, man. It's sight, man.
Question. Could you do it where I punch you as hard as I can in your ab?
Nah, I want to do that shit with Ryan Garcia. The little, when you be punching the niggas.
Yeah. No, I feel like... You think Ryan could actually, like, beat you up?
In a street fight?
Yeah.
No. He's like 150. Boxing, he'll probably mix my shit.
Hey, Adin.
What's up, Shnaggy?
What you doing, bro?
I'm streaming. What's going on?
Who you with?
Bro, you know he's streaming, nigga. Like, I imagine like you don't be by your
I'm
computer.
in my bed.
But shut up, nigga. You in front of your computer 24/7, nigga. You fat fuck. You fat goofy fuck, nigga. You are in front of your computer eating McDonald's all day in front of your computer, bro. You're fat as hell, nigga. You don't do shit else, my nigga. You don't get bitches. You don't go outside. You're in front of your computer streaming all day, nigga. Stop acting like you didn't know he was streaming on, nigga. You knew he was streaming. You didn't want to be on the stream. Here, stream. Look at Shnaggy, y'all. Look at Shnaggy, y'all. That's what he wanted, bro. That's why you called. Look at him, y'all.
Hey, Adin.
Yeah.
I just want to ask you how your day was, bro.
The fuck out of here, nigga. You fat fuck, nigga. Go jog, nigga. Go hop on a treadmill, nigga. Go order a Mickey D's. You fat chubby cheek ass nigga.
Who the fuck is steroid using bitch thing you talking to?
You need to use some steroids. Get some of that fat off of you, nigga. Fat boy.
I'm a beat you.
But that do-rag way too tight on your fucking head. You got a fat ass skull, my nigga.
You got all the muscle, but you
Nigga. I'ma see you in Miami, nigga. I'ma see you in all the SSB in Miami, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Keep that same energy, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. I want all y'all, nigga. One by one, nigga. You catching the fade, nigga. Ain't gonna be no jumping, nigga. I'ma have my niggas too. He gonna jump. Where you gonna jump? I'ma take 4 of my.
Is that T Grizzly?
Nah, it's what's
Shnaggy host.
That's that.
Hell, they
Bro,
come on my government.
This the black nigga from Kim Possible. With the glasses.
Rufus.
Pull him up, Aiden.
Yo, Spin Master, thanks for the 50.
No, nigga, the black dude.
I don't want to type in black dude, okay?
I'll type in
Because they're going to call me racist. You type it in.
That is crazy.
Dude!
Fuck you,
Kim
bitch.
Possible nigga, cartoon nigga. Hold on.
It's not me typing it, chat. I swear to God.
cartoon nigga. Hold on, where you at? Why you not popping up, nigga? Bro, come on.
It's
fool.
not Kim Possible, is it?
Nah, that's Kim Possible. He do the what's that thing?
He do the like the little nerdy
What's the
shit.
sketch? What's the
sketch?
They just say something like
Scott?
that.
Where you at? There you go. Hold on. Wait.
Yeah, wait.
That's Shnaggy, nigga.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, Adin,
What?
Hold on.
I want to talk to you. Let me tell you something real quick. Mr. Shane, I want to tell you something.
Alright, it's muted.
Yo, bro, I haven't been able to walk for 2 days, bro.
Why?
Cause you gained too much fucking weight, nigga. Fat fuck.
My ass hurts. The fuck you say,
You gained too much weight, nigga. Your feet hurt whenever you walk, nigga. You step, nigga. You break the ground when you walk, nigga. The floor crack.
Hey, have a good stream, bro. This nigga's got me hot when I see you with something.
Shnaggy. So you've drinking 10 of those.
Bro, listen, I'm off one, nigga. This feel better than a perk, nigga. Hey, it's my new perk.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
G Fuel needs to sponsor you.
Sponsor me right now, nigga.
You ready to gamble,
I need my
BD?
own flavor.
Hey, you got some Rolos, bro?
Roll-ups?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Like roll up.
What's that?
Roll up.
What's roll-up?
A cigarello, you dweeb, nigga.
Don't say that word.
Nah, I'm talking about fruit roll ups, bro. You got any candy?
Oh.
You got any candy?
No fucking way, bro.
I'm about to say.
Glizzy Lou.
Hey, too many people been hitting me with that shit lately, though.
You gotta bring it back for the one time.
Hey. That shit was funny.
Chat, who's seen the Glizzy Lou? That's so
Bro,
funny.
that shit is hilarious, bro.
Alright, y'all ready to gamble?
Oh, Kodak Miami confirmed.
What's Kodak Miami?
We doing a reaction with Kodak. nigga.
Kodak Black?
Yeah, so we definitely got to prank.
That shit gonna be crazy.
Wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, you know what Yachty told me? He said he does not play it at all. Him and 21 don't play that shit at all.
I know
Hey, look, Tony.
21 Savage.
Bro, fuck no.
Fuck. Alright. Let's get to this gambling shit. Come on. Let's run this shit.
Bruh.
You boys ready?
Hell yeah, is you ready?
Hell yeah. How we starting off today?
Shit, what you wanna do? How you feeling?
I got 25 G's in for a reason. I'm feeling great.
Hell yeah,
Where you want to stop at? What's your goal? What's the
What's the goal? Let's get to like 200 G.